Morning, my people. Morning. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, you are tuning into Extreme Fishers. We're going to greet you this morning with a fish and captain line. Right away, guys. Yeah, man, we're out this morning, you know. Me, Captain Anthony there. See if I can find something. So, this is it. Beautiful, Capo, beautiful. Go on the road, Capo, go on the road. Go on the road. Go on the road. Go on the road, Capo, and come off. See him, the guys.
Jump off.
Nice one, nice one. Yeah.
No, one of them doctor there, Capo.
Hey, you see it? I didn't think my man about barracuda bite them. Him jump up, you see? Him jump and him link on your side, and I bite him back me, you know. Him link on him, but 17 he cut me. I cut small, he must have buy barracuda jump and bite him. No first time when I bite him bite you. Him teeth link on your side a while ago. Captain draw first blood. Stay tuned, guys, alright? Captain on the marks again. Did I see him here? Like him touch him twice, you know, guys, but. And you not see no more line? You not see no more line? I feel alone in love. I'm there.
Some grab it, man, but it, you know.
Anthony, if a fish grab it, will ride me and just make come back, you know. I tell Matilda same day, you know, soon come, you know. But you feel the first bite, man, take it all the hand, man. Some fish right there, sir. Yeah, man. Because Anthony get a bite too. Anthony get a bite too a while ago too.
Get a grab.
Get a grab again.
We get one, two times we get touched this up. Check say boy, I come back, we look like him down in the bait.
Turn pan him, man.
Yeah, but show one of them fresh bait there. Yeah. When they get that chance.
Take off piece of bait. Well, slap it on my first touch. One more again by Captain, guys. Give thanks to him, see how no matter the size and everything count. One baby. Drop a line. No, it has to go under. Guys, small one by the Captain again. Stand by for the next bite, alright? Yeah, guys, but the engine shut off, can't we? Like it won't start at all. Try to check it out as well. Because the engine just got dead, completely dead from way. Yes, no lie. Yeah. They even sound like they don't want to start.
It's not nothing to do with it.
Yeah, still the guy that try to see if we can start, you know, huh? So you keep up the program. Stay tuned. Why guys we're there now, still can't start, you know. Have food, but there's no service. No service and no boat in sight. Try call back on land see if we can get somebody to come assist me, but no service out here. As far as I can look, there's no boat. So right now with us out here at Reef. Hope so we can see a boat a pass. Get some assistance. Signal low.
Gone.
Why so? This is a place where normally there's enough boat there, it's not even one boat. So, keep you up to date with what's going on, guys. Stay tuned. Shagai, the one paddle we have in the paddle broken at 2 hours ago, you know, guys. Tell you. One paddle we have in paddle broke like this. Tell you, say. Good thing about here, but they're not really hard. Say a good thing about here, but they're not hard. But this is a place a boat run up and down like a road all the while, you know. Let me say, no boat here. I say 2 all our boat gone up, so I know them have pass, but I don't know what them have pass. Yeah, right near to land, so. Stick? Oh.
I choose paddle break.
Yeah. We have one piece of paddle, guys, so we are trying to see if we can get the boat down in there, so we get the boat in there, so we can walk down, so make a call. Can I signal on the passer? C'est un peu ça, tic.
Cut off piece and push it out.
Another record.
You could have 2 screws.
I have screw, but them too short.
Show the baler.
You see it?
Sit on that, right on it.
Can't see a boat at all. No. Go on. I make slow progress, guys. Captain and paddle, me and paddle with this. Anthony and paddle around about the same way. Tony, you're not convinced where I move now? Look on you ready to rock now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just go and work, man. Survival mode now, you know, guys. So this plastic jug is my best friend, I know. So guys, this is a place where normally see a lot of boat to pass. Today, no boat. So try it in one motion here. Try it in one motion. A bit more power, so. We up, son. Just one gallon. From a gallon, go get signal, man. The time when you ride the sick, man. We up, so we have to go. What we see about this morning with the 2 pot them. Pass through Reef and go. Up top of Reef, so. We just want to get a land. But the thing about it, I have enough battery for my phone. I have 80% battery, so This guy will take time and go and see there. I come nearer to land now. Wow, tired. Yeah, I hear shoreline a beat, you know.
Shoreline a beat.
Jaja. Alright, guys, just slug one paddle, you know. All that 3 engine in the boat have nothing to go fast. 3 engine. 4. I see bottom here, so I see reef there either way.
Some John fire, so big guy.
So
You know me can't swim fire, so guy.
the beach are pretty, man. Come in, Tony, fuel up. See bottom here? Eh? So how you gonna steer it down, Capo? How you gonna steer it?
Can't pass over them stone. You see down in there, so would have passed right there.
But that don't look dangerous to me.
Eh?
Don't look like the water will push it towards the big rock them. Oh, we all go there. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Past it. See it, watch our rock, sir. All right, I think I cross the Capo. Eh? Yeah? Step, can I step off? Alright, may I step off it? Yeah, where I going now? Oh, we can.
See them bars, I know, I them are fuck with nobody.
Yeah?
Them bars are
Come in, so on. Get caught up on a reef, guys, but I'll try rescue the boat here now. Wait, come on, no move it. Wait till the little water can help her. Little water make it easier. Alright. Come in. work with this?
Come on.
We've on it. Alright. Nice. Get in there. Jaja. No, hold on. Wait. You know, see a tree move over here, yeah. A tree move, you know? A nice one, you know? Yeah. Could I carry right out? Alright, work with that one now, work with that one now. No, not in that. You see, any other movement could I go right out? No, we're not wait. We are floating now. My trap in a hole here.
Hey, stick there. We have stick before I go back up there.
Yes, guys, we did it! This is an adventure. This is an adventure. Guys, trust me, guys. We did it. No, so we're safe now. Where are you, sir? Alright. Nothing wrong with that. We are going the mangrove. Alright, guys, so I try to push it right around the mangrove, guys, because our next boat can't come right here so we can rescue it. That go hard. Tired. Yeah, guys, the aim is to get the boat around the mangrove. So, right here, so the reason why our boat here is because remember the engine up. The engine up now, so we can't always push the boat here, so but a boat to come rescue us, the engine have to be down and don't touch in the grass. So we have to go around the corner with it. So we can start the walking to get a rescue boat. But we pass the worst, guys, because we come off of the sea, so right now we're safe. After much paddling and pushing and bumping in the reef, finally get off, guys. We have to give God thanks, you know. And the good thing today, the weather never hard. So as I say, we can make it around the mangrove. And we start me 2 mile or 3 mile walking now, we'll get signal. First, I try all them places, I'm going to drive past the place in a boat all the while. I come from the reef already.
What? Come down here?
Yeah, man. From Reef Bay. Yeah. Yo, my foot then tired, you know, man. What's that skirt, man? Yo, brother. Yeah. Don't so deep. Oh. So we have heads on there.
Yeah, we just head out. Alright.
And then we come in. Yeah, yeah, come here, can see dirt also. Life of a fisherman, guys. Not easy at all. When I reach a land, man, I beg you a fish. And I give him a fishing vex. You can see where you have to go through. Huh? Yeah, you couldn't cross this up. I have two options now, Capo. If I not get Iron Man, I call a brother Spanish Stone. I make him call Chado. Because man Chado a friend. But I don't have Chado number. So, I saw me for going to make him get Iron Man. I say, what the end, man? I don't take money number, I don't take money number, you know. And my phone is left in the bus, so I don't take a number, you know. But I don't have nobody else on the beach number. Ah, guys. Oh. It's a terrible day, guys. Terrible day. So, water getting on the phone, guys. Water getting the phone. And see that the only chance we have really make a call for somebody can rescue you, guys. Oh God. Right now I don't know more though. I'm gonna pull out the battery and see. Look like it come back up, you know, guys. Look like it come back up. So, Anthony them out, so guys, because the plan was, because me go make the call, I want to come out and walk, go on, because me about 2 miles to walk before I can get signal. You get a call. So, I go head off from my way, say me can make a call, and grab out a bulla and a Pepsi out of the boat. So go move on and see if I can make no progress in terms of call. So stay tuned and watch what I'm going, alright? Alright guys, so I don't know, you know. It's 1:24 now, guys. See there? I reach a land, so stick with me, Jesus. Guys, I'm a little bit of walk in this, but I have no choice. I know this place now, guys. There's no signal here. Miles away from here before we get signal. So just have to walk, you know. (24:01). This is an adventure. Hungry, I must grab a Pepsi and a bulla. Go and munch it on the way, go down. I just strange how the engine just run and just stop like that, Captain say. At first that ever happened to him. I guess there got to be a first, like I have to stop one day. So today is the day that it stop. The good thing about it, we never hurt that deep and the weather never hard. Or it's really a problem, because if you swim the boat, when the reef push the boat on the reef, when the wave push the boat on the reef, you realize that the boat start taking water and stuff. You have to jump out tight and try to hold back the boat in place. So just imagine if the weather was hard. Anyway guys, just stick with me until me get some signal. Yeah guys, the last time I checked, it's way across that green point over there. But there, so me get signal the last time, guys. And trust me, it seemed near from here, so but it's a lot of walking. But I have to do what I have to do. And guys, if me not get a signal, or if the phone not work, I'll walk, not walk, go right back a yard. So if I should walk all the way home, it's after 1 now. I reach about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Tide is very low. These area normally covered water. Can't walk in it now. It's almost dry land. I'm not telling him that. Oh gosh. Still a walk, guys. Still on it. Aim is to make it beyond that point. So make it, man. We have been through worse since morning, you know? And we conquer it. So this is just one more obstacle. This is the adventure we never planned for, guys. Didn't plan for this at all. So we reach on a long stretch of beach still. The terrain is much better and not rocky as this. It's just pretty sand. So still try the phone and no signal. I came here once, guys, and Roy took sick and we had to call the captain, and it's all the way around there I have to go to get signal. So I know, so if I reach around there I can't get signal, although it was years ago still, but nothing you can rush, much better. Yeah, reach on the sun now, guys, so the underfoot condition will be a bit more comfortable, you know. And put some pep in my step now, although I'm really tired. Carry the Pepsi, I'm sorry, so I never carry water into that Pepsi, guys. I feel exhausted. I'm still about a mile or more for walk. Wow. My foot them feel heavy like they move by themselves. Yeah, guys, it's now 15 minutes after 2 and I've been walking from 24 minutes after 1. It's almost an hour. Finally get signal, guys. And call. So I get my captain's son. And him say, he might come rescue it. But guys, me can't walk 1 more hour for walk with our captain them there. So I have to go stay here, so guys. Until the boat are past, them come pick me up. Because I can't walk back on this again. So guys, finally we get through with a call. Just stay tuned. And watch out where I go on, alright? Now I get back a call, I don't know who's that fire. Yeah, fire. Yeah man, they have to look out for him because which part of them not go see me. But no man, he might find them, man. Because he know he see, you know. Yeah man. Him know which part, man. Alright. Alright. So yeah guys, me there, you know, sit down and wait for the rescue boat. They come, you know. Supposed to pass somewhere out there, so more like I cannot travel against the land side. I really can't walk go back down that side, guys. Tired and exhausted. So I'm just there. Go and wait till I pass. If I can signal them pick me up when I go down, if not, when I come back up then pick me up. But they are going easy, guys. Let's say, guys, I'm sorry, so I never carry a bottle of water instead of the Pepsi because right now I'm tired, I'm exhausted, burnout. Yeah, but I don't really have much walking, no more walking for those still. So go and sit down here, so wait for them to arrive. Alright, I see by the point. When I was over that side, I was showing this point. Guys, see the other point there. So Captain Anthony is beyond that point. Yeah, man. But they are still, guys. I have to give thanks for our many blessings, you know, because it could have worse. Yeah, man. It could have been a day when you see really in a state, you know. So I have to give thanks still for small mercies. So until the boat arrive, see ya. Yes guys, we're still there, you know. Almost an hour since we made the call. Still no rescue as yet. Alright, now my camera battery run all low. But they are going sit down, guys. Enjoy a little cool breeze, rest somebody. And now wait out for the boat still, you know? See there? Right to the ocean front, but see here. Yeah man, so stay tuned and watch the process, alright? Soon get back to you. Alright guys, the boat coming on, the boat just passed a while ago. I signal him but he like never see me. So gone around, gonna pick up the captain, but what happened now guys, I'm gonna walk, go down here so. I'm certain so the boat can come in land down here so. I'm not too certain about up here so. So I'm gonna walk, go back further down when I know the boat can come. Right. We might have to go drop, pull off our boat out of sea and come pick me up. I mean, the team can draw the boat through here so. But one thing for certain, it's a bit far for you to see still, but go around there so go and pick them up. So back on the walking again guys, I'm going to walk and go round that side where I know say the boat can come pick me up. Back on foot again. So see when the boat arrive, right? Yeah guys, see them there now. Yeah man, so go back at a location where them could pick me up, you know. Big blood, thermal jack. What is it? Jaja. Yeah guys, just but when you are singing in your pass, you're fret. Now stop on a bucket in a wave.
One bucket in here?
Stop on a bucket, sir. Stand up on the bucket in a wave. What the hell when you are pass the blouse and skirt?
I don't say I walk to see whatever they focus on over there, sir. See boats whatever they focus on.
Oh, come there. Yo, walk with me tired to blouse and skirt. Go and get signal. Alright guys, so rescue mission now, so heading home now guys, so just stay tuned.
Like I can go see where you don't know.
So I'll go on now guys. Yeah man, I hate that you know. So we're over to the woods now guys, so Alright guys, so we're pretty much reach our land, you know. Yeah man, so boy, it was an eventful day. So guys, just remember, like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah man. Alright, see you next one, alright? So Tony, where you see I change the sport now to golf or something? No fish?
No, I can't give up fishing. Put your blouse sit down, go from it.
Guys, so you hear the man say, I think say man not change the sport, you know, after today.
No, my youth.
I'm serious, I'm going to go tomorrow.
A part of the experience,
I think I'm going to go tomorrow, you know. Alright.
You're going to go tomorrow?
Man say no, give up guys. I think I'm going to go tomorrow.
I can't go tomorrow.